In today's time, if we see that the global market for people with diverse needs is 1 billion and over that, and it is increasing at a rapid pace. Unfortunately, the digital platforms which are existing in the web are not accessible for people with diverse needs, and it's the need of the hour that we have to ensure that the websites and the mobile applications can become accessible so that people who are using all sorts of assistive technologies can also easily access the content, be it on a website or from the palm of from the device.
Eventually, it would enable the people with disabilities to shop online, book online, travel tickets, and do a variety of things on the web. We at QA Infotech believe that it's the perfect time to create a strategy to make all the websites and softwares completely accessible.